Welcome back, guys. Alright, guys. Okay, good morning. Thank you guys for the support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that like button. I appreciate it. Alright, today we're going to talk about the bell pepper tree and the progress of the bell pepper tree this container. Alright guys, the bell pepper tree is like 2 feet tall now at this moment. It's looking, if you look at it, you're gonna see how healthy the plant looking, and if you look closely, you're gonna realize it starts producing pepper already, and it also have some small peppers plus blossom, and it's a whole lot of them. Not sure if you've seen, but this pepper tree is doing amazing. Guys, if you see, I now water it. I water it this morning. I'm not gonna water it for the next 2 days. And this is actually what I'm doing, and the pepper is doing really well. When I plant this pepper, if you recall, check out I'm gonna put the video in the description. When I plant this pepper, it was pretty deep down in the container. This is the container, and as you can see now, the pepper is way over 13 inches over the container. No, almost 2 feet over the container right at this moment. So if you notice, you see I keep adding soil. So if you remember, the pepper was way down. The soil was way down to the bottom. Now if you notice how I keep adding the soil, now it's getting closer to the top. Once it reaches closer to the top, I'm done with doing anything to this plant. I'm gonna be just allowing this plant to grow and do what it does for its own self. While it's keep producing, I'm just gonna be harvesting. I'm gonna put some stake outside of the pot, not in the pot. I'm gonna put them outside around, so when it push the limbs them, because as you see it's getting taller, so when it push out the limbs them, I'm gonna just tie them to the stakes them, because if you notice pretty well, you're gonna see a lot of pepper. So if I don't stake them, put the stake, these pepper will definitely pop these limbs. This thing have on, I don't even want to count, I don't like to count them, but it have on a lot of pepper. If you notice, you will see for your own self. This thing have on so much pepper is unbelievable. So guys, don't forget, we're doing a series and we're showing you how we grow massive bell pepper in containers. So yes, this is another update on the bell pepper growing in container. As you see, it's already have stages. You have pepper. It also have, if you notice this one, that's already torn pepper. If you notice a smaller one over there, and if you notice flower. So this pepper tree gonna continue producing ongoing. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.